Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. In this video, I wanted to show you some of the hollow books that I make. And this is a custom order for someone. This is a baby shower gift. And so it was two little twin boys, absolutely precious. And they're in Ireland. And so the names that the mother picked out have meaning. So I know when I had my daughter, I wanted a name that, I wanted to know the origin and something, that was, just resonates with you. And so the two names for the little boys were Summerlee and Turlou. So then looking up the meanings of the names, then this was the books that I came up with. So Turlou was, there's always several meanings. It meant instigator. So I thought the Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit was very mischievous. And well, whether that little guy grows up to be mischievous or not, we do not know, but that doesn't matter. And then the other one, so Christopher Robin, Winnie the Pooh, Wanderer is what Summerlee means. So I thought that was absolutely fitting for both of those adorable little guys. I wish I could show you pictures, but I can't do that. And so the covers, the dust jacket, they always come with a dust jacket. And it looks like, these are bees. So then on the book itself, when you take off the dust jacket, there's 3 embossed gold bees on the cover. Love this. It's not a linen. This is more like of a fabric. This is just a nice heavy paper, cardstock, whatever they used. And then on the inside, look at the cute design here. So what I did, normally I will put felt in the bottom, but I did not want to do that. Look at how this, coordinated. So here's a little boy, and then here's the rest of his body. Here's the feet of the fox going across the bottom and the rest of the body. And the same thing here on the side, and this little bear. So isn't that adorable? So I just wanted to show you how cute these are and how they turn out. And they are available in my Etsy shop. So you don't have to wonder about that or think about that. So if you would like me to do a custom order, there is a listing in my shop for that. But if you pick up one of the slow stitch kits, not every kit has that option as an add-on option, but some of them do. But there is the other listing for just the book itself. And now this one, look at how cute the dust jacket is with all the different things that she wrote about. And then the cover, the actual book itself, isn't this adorable? So it's a gold embossed bunny. Isn't that so pretty? And the blue is just beautiful. I love these. This was the complete Tales of Beatrix Potter. Okay. And then inside, it wasn't as fancy, obviously, just, something nice and plain. And then I put the felt in the bottom. Isn't that nice? And look at how nice and deep. So the mama is going to be able to enjoy keeping little keepsakes for both of her little precious baby boys in these books. So now I have another task to perform, and it's kind of making me feel like I'm in a dilemma on this. So I'm going to ask you, my community, for some ideas. So please put them in the comments box below. So the customer requested me to put the names of the boys on their book. Now these are long names, so I can embroider them. Okay. First I thought we would maybe get a burnishing. I have a burnishing kit tool. I've never used that. And get wood and burnish the names on that. But I did ask a few of my friends, and then I would have just, I would probably just have glued that piece of wood. So I'm thinking like put their name here. So would you put the name at the top of the book, or would I put the name down here? So let me know in the comments, and then whatever gets the most, what the feedback that I get, and then the same thing on this one. Okay, so the bunny is, kind of more toward the top. So I don't know. So Turlou would be on this one. and then Summerly would be on this one. So my other choice is to either embroidery on the cross-stitch fabric or actually cross-stitch the name. So I'm toying between those two. And then I was going to mount that fabric onto cardstock and make like a book plate, and then that would be what I would put. Let me see if I can find one of my book plates that I've made for my junk journals and then show you. Okay, this is approximately the size of what I would have made a book plate, because I couldn't find it, but this was something that I had made. These are just little fabric embellishments that I've made. You can put them on front of a card or whatever. I've used them for different things. So just for an idea. Okay, so just for the size purpose. Okay, so that's kind of like what the book plate would be, about that size. And then the name, not all this busyness here, but you know, just the fabric, and then the name would be cross-stitched or embroidered across that. So what do you think about that as far as a size for the book plate? And then I would make something complementary, probably go through my stash, see if I have anything that complement these two colors. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of that idea of making a book plate, and then after I've cross-stitched or embroidered the name, put it onto this and then glue that to the front cover. I need some help here, please. Please, from my creative community, I need your help. Now I wanted to show you some of the other things that I'm thinking of adding to my shop for you guys, and let me know. So these are my daughter's artwork. This was our kitty Bubbles. She's passed away. We had her for 16 years and she's beautiful. Oh, I miss her. So anyway, this is my daughter's artwork, and I'm thinking of adding these as embroidery patterns on the stick and stitch paper into my shop. So if any of these stand out to you that you'd like, then let me know in the comments which one. Okay, so the fox, obviously. I call him the meditating fox. The bunny and balloons. The starfish is already in the shop. The walrus. The morning glory. The swans. And mind you, this would be on the stick and stitch paper, and it will, if it's a colored drawing, it will come that way. If it's black and white, it will come that way. The horse, the little girl in her rain jacket. The onion and tomato. The onion by itself. The tomato by itself. The cacti and the potted plants. Trying to get the glare off. Cute little wildflowers. The alligator. And then the jar with the ocean wave and the label here. So let me know if any of those resonate with you, if you would like to see me make those into embroidery patterns and put them in my shop. The next group of pictures I wanted to show you were some of the hollow books that we have done in the past. And my husband, we put wood around the top edge. Sometimes I use cardstock. As you can see in the bottom, I didn't put any felt here. It was just the bottom of the whatever the back was. This was an old dictionary. Isn't that beautiful? And then I put a beautiful complementary paper on that. Same thing here, more cardstock that I used. This one is wood. Now this was the only one I did. It was a Wizard of Oz book, and I put a fabric, Wizard of Oz fabric was here. I had these little glass tiles. My husband does remodeling for a living, and he had these left over from a job they gave him. And So they just happened to be the height. So we grouted it. This thing weighed, this was like a heavy book. And then put the wood around that. Very, very unique, very, very charming. Another children's book with just the cardstock. And then the contents are just to show you kinds of things of what it could hold. These are the Reader's Digest. I use the cardstock. Same thing here, complimentary cardstock. Now this one we used cork. Very, very unique. I like to do unique things. And this one was another one with the wood. I didn't have one where we have the wood drawer that pulls out. I have some books already prepared, but we don't have the drawer made. And then these are just embellishments that I've made here on my channel. And I do have a video showing you how to do this. This was a step-by-step process video of each of these I did here on my channel. So you can go back and check out that at my 500 library of videos here for you. But please let me know in the comments what you think would look good. Please just give me any feedback that you would think as far as a name presentation on the book, what would look good. And I don't want to use stickers. It has to be something very presentable, more higher end, that kind of a thing. That's the customer that I have. So please let me know that. I would really appreciate your help. So stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.